Good evening. In India, there are chai walas who prepare, sell, and serve tea on the streets. And most of these people come from different parts of the country and run small businesses in major cities. So let's talk about one such tea vendor, Raj. Raj sells tea in small plastic cups to his customers every day. And after drinking this tea, these cups are crushed and thrown on the ground, as usually there are no dustbins. Raj is ignorant of the danger that this could cause, as these cups are non-biodegradable and also flies and other insects start breeding around this waste. One of the major problems faced by India is the unhygienic and inefficient disposal of waste that has taken a toll on the health of the citizens. In a city like Bangalore, with a population of 10 million, around 1,518 tons of dry waste is generated every day. What about a country with a population of 1.2 billion?
Waste management in developing economies experience exhausted waste collection services and uncontrolled dump sites. Waste management in our city is an ongoing challenge due to chronic under-resourcing, weak institutions, and rapid urbanization. Last year, the Government of India launched the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan that tackles both sanitation and effective waste management. Recycling of the dry waste can contribute to the reduction of the volume of the waste to be dumped. But dry waste dealers in India have to go to so many different houses looking for material to recycle. This is a tiring and time-consuming process. Can their work be made simpler?
Selixo is an Android mobile application which deals with efficient waste management by promoting the commercial recycling of dry waste. It provides a platform to connect the dry waste generators to the buyers. With Selixo, dry waste can now be bought and sold, which would be profitable for both the buyer and the seller. Selixo is designed to be highly intuitive to the user. To sell, the user has to post an advertisement specifying the category and the price of the dry waste. The buyer can view the list of advertisements, select the items to be purchased based on the category of the dry waste, along with the location of the seller.
Now you're probably wondering how much Selixo costs. Selixo plans to use two pricing models for the waste consumers. The first pricing model is the pay-as-you-go model, which will be useful for those who do not transact as often. Here we will charge 1% of every transaction as commission or fees. The second pricing model is the annual subscription model, which will be useful for those who deal with waste on a larger scale. They will have to pay as a nominal subscription fee and will not be charged on every transaction. Selixo plans to be absolutely free for the waste producers. Through calculations based on official reports, we could make about $24,200 in our first year. We hope to get a more sizable share of the market in future.
Selixo has a wide market. Apart from dealing with household waste, it also caters to roadside shopkeepers, apartment complexes, and party halls that tend to produce waste in substantial quantity every day. Scrap dealers, recyclers, and municipal organizations will also be profited by Selixo. Selixo is unique in its value proposition. Though there are existing waste management apps, none of them provide a centralized mobile marketplace for waste like Selixo does. Our future plans include an internal chat service between the buyer and seller, a system of loyalty points for frequent use, and user ratings. We plan to scale out by adding new categories of dry waste, new producer and consumer segments, and sorting ads by location, rating, and price.
So go ahead and download our app from the Google Play Store.
Like us on Facebook?
Follow us on Twitter.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Selixo, why trash it when you can cash it?
So how did you think about testing your app so that it was bug-free? What was your strategy to do that?
Usually when sellers, if I was a person who wants to buy an app, we wouldn't pay for it. It has to be free.
So we actually gave it out to apartment associations which we stay in. We actually gave it out to them. We asked them to test it for us, and we got pretty positive reviews. And we also interviewed a few scrap paper dealers, and they seemed very excited by the prospect of this idea.
So if I caught you correctly, you mentioned that there is no cost for the producers of waste. Doesn't that just encourage people to produce more waste? What was your thought beyond?
No, here the producers will be the common people like us. Normal people like us, we don't like to buy apps from the Play Store usually. So we plan to keep it as a promotional feature. We plan to keep it free for the waste producers right now. And since the consumers, they make a living out of selling this waste, we plan to charge them.
And just adding to that, I don't think we'll be promoting them to produce more waste as much as promoting them to actually collect the waste and actually not, dump it or something. Like, we're promoting them to collect it, segregate it, and actually sell it.
So our purpose is to make dry waste as a commodity so people don't litter it.
Yeah, along the same lines, I guess my question was, what are you doing, or are you thinking about any features where you actually encourage people to reduce the amount of waste that they create? Are you trying to do behavior change as part of this effort?
So I would like to say that we can't stop people from producing waste, but we can educate them about how to dispose it efficiently. That's what Selexo is all about. So they can collect the waste and dispose it properly. So we plan to educate them in that way.